everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a charity shop haul. And yes, I have gone charity shopping. I have filmed the video and I'm going to upload it all on one day, hopefully. So happy April 12th. I have been working hard all day. I literally haven't stopped. I've had clients since 9 in the morning. I had a gap at 3, so I quickly ran to the charity shops. Got lots of bargains. I'm going to show you them now. So I'm not going to chat too much. If you like thrifting, if you like DIYs, if you like beauty, if you like lifestyle, then why not subscribe? I will leave all the details down below of all my other social media accounts, but feel free to follow along this thrifting journey that we have going on here. So I live in Essex, so all the things I got were from Billericay High Street, from various different shops. I'll tell you the prices as I go, but if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. So the first thing I got was this dress. This was from Cancer Research and it was £5. I've actually just tried it on, but it's basically a button down dress, and it is like a shift dress. I will insert a try on clip after, but it is super cute. It is a size 14 from the brand Fearless. I don't know what that is. It's got these lovely little tie details on the sleeve, and I really like this one. I thought it was nice. It's good for sort of transitional from sort of winter into spring, summer. As it's longer sleeve, it's still a dress, so I really liked that one, and I thought that was quite a good transitional piece. Pub gardens, all that jazz, so I love that one. So this is the dress. I think it's super cute. It's a really nice length. I feel super secure in it, but equally for like super flowy and fun. There's nothing on my tummy, which is great, because if I'm having a bloated day or a day we want to eat loads, then we can. So I really like this. I think it's super cute and amazing for a £5. So I've also picked up some stuff for a future video, but I'm going to leave them because I've got quite a lot. So stay tuned. I'm going to be recreating Pinterest/Instagram outfits, and I got quite a few bits today, which is super exciting for that video. But not for that video, I got Justin this vest. It's just a £3 Nike vest to work out in. Not too much to say about this. I texted him to do you want it. He was like, yeah, so I got it. So that's fun. Love that. So I also picked up, this is a bit of a wild card item. So it's basically this wrap detail top. Let me do it up so you can kind of get an idea. But I saw the colours and I thought this is really bright, and I'm going to try and go out my comfort zone a bit in summer, and not necessarily go out my comfort zone, but just try one more colour and just wear things that actually make me smile. I spend all day in all black because that's what I wear for work, and I thought, why not inject a bit of colour? And I thought a blouse like this is the perfect thing. So it's this wrap top. It's got a button and then a tie detail. It's got this fluted sleeve detail at the bottom. This gives me major Josephina's Technicolor Dreamcoat vibes, but I'm into it, and I think this with some fine leather trousers or with some jeans could be a really nice look for summer. And it was £4.50 from Sense, so I really liked that one. I forgot to say as well, the dress is from Sense and the Nike top was from Mary Curie. This top is super fun. I love this. This is actually something I picked up and I wasn't so sure, and I was kind of walking home like, should I have brought it? But I actually really love it. I've actually got no bra currently, but I probably could wear a bra with it if I just pinned it, which is really good. It means I can just feel a bit more secure. But this is super fun. I love the fluted sleeves. I just think this is a perfect, like, kind of going outy top, but equally like really easy, because you literally compare it with a pair of black jeans, blue jeans, whatever, and it goes really fun. And it's something a bit different, which I love. I got this top. It's a size 12 from Pretty Little Thing. It was £4, and I think this is super cute. It's sort of a square neckline top. It's got sort of puff sleeves. It's sort of that sagey green, actually kind of goes with my nails, and the brown polka dots, and I thought that was really cute. I'm trying to not shop fast fashion, but when I see things like Pretty Little Thing in the charity shops, I'm okay with it because it's living its second life in me, so I like that a lot. So this is the Pretty Little Thing top. I really like it, but unfortunately my boobs are a bit too big, which was something I was kind of thinking might be. You can see it's gaping here, and I've also had to go no bra, which means it's kind of squishing me a little bit, but it is a super nice top, so I'm probably going to sell this one to check out my Depop for that. But it is super cute, and I'm really annoyed because I really like it, but I think I could potentially get away with it. But as you can see, it's really pulling on these buttons, so it would be a bit of a risky one, but I do really like it. So maybe a no for this one, which is really annoying. And what? I'm actually forgetting what I got. I got so much. and I'm only showing you bits of it because half of it's for another video. So I also got this cardigan. This is a Marks & Spencer's cardigan. It's in a size 12. It was from Sense and it was £3.50. There's all the information anyone will need to know. So, obviously I started work again today, so I have my own beauty studio for anyone who's new here, and I wear all black, hence the outfit today, but I quite like to have a plain black cardigan. Now I have one from Primark, but I believe it's like a size 6 or a size 8, so it's really, really tight. So I wanted one that's slightly bigger. This one's a size 12. This is actually my actual size, if not a bit tight, a bit small, and it is a bit tight in the arms, but it is a really, really nice soft cardigan, and I just think it just adds to the outfit, makes it look a bit more professional, and equally just warms me up a bit if it's cold. So I normally start the day with one of these on and take it off by halfway through the treatment because I get all hot. But that was super good, and I was actually planning on buying one of them from Primark tomorrow. So the fact I got Marks & Spencer's one, probably cheaper than the price to actually get my Primark one, I was really happy with that. Then finally, for what I'm going to show you today, I got from St Luke's Hospice for £5 in a size 12 a new with tags Topshop dress, which original retail price was £38. So I really think I lucked out here. However, I don't know if it's going to fit, but as it was £5 and it's new with tags, if this doesn't fit, I will sell it on. If you ever want to look for any clothes I'm selling, my Depop account is just Aim Lorenz. I'll leave that link below anyway. I think it normally is linked below automatically, and you can shop the clothes that don't fit me, because the only issue is I love this dress, but the boob area is very small and I have rather large chest, so I don't know if this will fit, but I loved it. I loved the colour, I loved that it was £5 and it's a fancy dress. Quite drawn to things that are cheap, if you haven't noticed, but I like that, and I'm going to try it on, and if it fits, as I say, I'll keep it, and then if it doesn't fit, I'll sell it on. But I can probably get more than £5 for that, or like just get even, so I'm quite happy with that. So this dress would be great, but as you can see, my boobs don't really fit into it. Story of my life. I actually really love kind of the silhouette of it. I think it's really cute, but it is not going to work because, yeah, my boobs don't fit in it, but it's super cute, and for a £5 it just shows you can get great bits in charity shops, and I really just encourage everyone to have a look if you've never done before. This is a new Topshop dress for a £5. Like, you can get such amazing bits, and I'm really annoyed that unfortunately it's a bit too small on the boobs, but if that works, that'd be great. But as I say, I'm going to sell this on, so it's no loss to me anyway. But super cute. Just annoyed that I don't fit in it. So that's everything I got today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite item was, and subscribe if you're not already. We are going to have a recreating Pinterest outfits coming soon. We're going to have a recreating 90s outfits coming soon. We've got loads and loads of thrifting content coming our way, and I'm so excited. I'm actually going thrifting again tomorrow in a different area, so hopefully I'll get some goodies then. But as I say, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!